Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in beautiful Naples, Florida. I'm here today in front of the Boston Whaler 2018 280 Outrage 60th Anniversary Edition. We'll start with the profile of the boat. The lines on it are absolutely gorgeous. You have the stainless steel insert into the rubber rail. Gives it nice lines going all the way down towards the bow. And then this boat is designed to go offshore if you want it. It'll still do inshore fishing, but this is absolutely designed to go offshore, Key West, those type of trips, because it's got the big flare on the bow and it's got the deep V on the hull. So this boat is designed to handle bigger water, and it handles it very, very well. You've got the T-top up there, which is got the 3/4 glassed in partitions there, and then you've got you got the two outriggers, and then the rod holders in the back, and you've got places to keep your safety jackets up there, so very convenient, out of the way places to keep it. And as we move down around to the back, you got the trim tabs, underwater lights, and then it's powered by the Mercury Verado 300 horsepower, fantastic engines, going to give you all the power you want. You want to go offshore, it'll get you 100 miles out in a hurry. So plenty of power, and let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 280 Outrage. Let's start at the stern of the boat. It's got the 3 rod holders in the back, so plenty of storage for the rods when you're going to and from, or trolling as well. If you're not going to fish, this is how it's set up. So nice, comfortable 2-person seat right here. You are fishing. Now you got a nice bolster, leaning post to fish against. Nice, love this rear seat. They do a great job on it. Little prep area in the back if you need it, just to have it. And then you've got the tow rails that go all the way around. As far as keeping, if you have a big fish, you can hook your toes underneath, and it'll prevent you from being dragged into the water. So it's they've got them on both sides. Stereo speakers, good sound system on the boat. 2 more rod holders on the prep area here. Hand sprayer here. We'll pull out, rinse and stuff down. Nice setup. A couple of drink holders here, and a very large live well. I mean, it's going to hold all the bait that you're going to need. So nice setup there. All right, as we move around to the helm area, 2 very, very comfortable captain's seats. We've got the bolsters up right now, but 3 armrests on here. So really nice, really comfortable. Then what Whaler does is they give you their signature Whaler steering wheel, which is nice. It's got the handle on it as well for gripping. It's got a smart craft on here, which gives you all your temperatures and your fuel burns and everything you're going to want to know with the engines in the boat is all in the computer right here. You've got your remote control for the Fusion stereo right here. Trim tab controls, digital throttle and shift. Best part about this is once I pull out of the dock, I hit the 1 lever like this, I put that down and get it out of the way. It reminds me that I'm only using the 1. Now this one here controls both engines precisely, so your RPMs are always exact. You're not adjusting the temperature. So really nice, it's convenient to use, and it's better for the engines at the same time. Dry storage in here, charge phones, iPod, whatever you're using now. Keeps it nice and dry. All your rockers. You've got the windshield, it's vented, so if it's nice out, you can open up the vent, get nice airflow, along with a second dry storage up top, and it's actually a bigger one up there. So plenty of dry storage at the helm area. So as we move forward, really nice size head. Storage wise, it has that. It's got a handheld shower in there. It's got the vacuum flush head as well, so that's the top of the line as far as heads go. So plenty of room. Your breaker panel, your stereo, everything is convenient right there. So plenty of room for a 28-foot boat. Now up front, what they've really done on the Outrage, which is really nice, is if you fish, it's great, but you don't always fish. So if you're not fishing, this is set up very, very comfortable for 2 people, just relaxing. Drink holders right beside you, and they've also added fantastic storage. So this is where your outriggers are being stored, completely out of the way. You can also put rods in here, little teak steps to get down into because it's actually pretty deep. So you can really hold a lot of equipment out of the weather, out of the way. So really nice feature that they've added. And again, if you're going out for a ride, you've got the cushions. If you're fishing, you're just taking the cushions off, so you get all non-skid right here. Real large self-draining fish box. So if you're working off the bow of the boat, plenty of room to put the fish in right here. Then as we move to the bow, you've got a very large standing platform, all with non-skid. So with the recessed anchor, you have no trip hazard up here, and great spot to be fishing off. And as far as the windlass, completely out of the way. You've got your remote control right here, can also be controlled from the helm as well. Nice setup, out of the way, actually protects it from the weather, so it actually is good for the windlass to be covered like this. So there you have it. It's the 280 Outrage. Fantastic boat here. We can do the backwaters if we want. We can go offshore if we want. We can take it to the Keys if we want. So it's an extremely versatile boat. If you want any more information on it, my name is Bob Freeman. You can give me a call at 603-213-1194.